Today we're going to be doing a taste test for a Bahamian made product. It's called Conch Broth. It says for cooking and for sipping, no salt added. So here it says slow simmered with simple ingredients. Our Conch Broth is the perfect pantry staple for everyday cooking. Use pure Flava as a flavor enhancer or sip as a warm, nutritious beverage. So this is light broth, like if you have chicken broth, I guess. So yeah. Oh, comes sealed. You know what? This smells like, what's this smell like? This smells like, it smells like conch chowder already, if that makes sense. Let's take a look and see what color it is when we pour it out. Okay. Yeah. It does taste like conch. It tastes like broth, but it tastes good. Like, you know what it is? Have you ever boiled conch with the intention of making like a conch dish, like conch for conch and rice? This will taste like conch and rice, even if you don't have conch. That makes sense? Tastes pretty good. Now that we've tasted it, let's make a recipe using it.
I know, right? Bottled conch broth? So Pure Flavor has a product that cannot stay in Best Brew's refrigerator. It's called Conch Broth. Firstly, it's a Bahamian product from Grand Bahama and it tastes good. Each bottle has about 2 cups of broth and you have to keep it refrigerated and it lasts up to 2 weeks in the fridge after opening. I'm using it to make creamy conch and crawfish chowder. Say that 5 times fast. Conch broth, it comes in salted and unsalted flavor and is the perfect base for this dish. I infuse the crawfish with butter, saute the aromatics, add the potatoes, cook the flour. If you brown it, it'll be stew, add the spice. Conch broth, carrots, potatoes,
How you even get here?
and onions, corn, add water, let it simmer until the carrots are almost cooked, add the conch and heavy cream, simmer and serve. This dish was delicious and conch broth was the perfect ingredient. Get conch broth locally at Best Brew.
Tastes really good.